StudyMojo.com.
The next question is also from this exercise, exercise 13.3, question number 4. Question number 4. This is also the previous type, but some difference is there, a slight difference. The question is, a well of diameter 3 meter is dug out. A well of diameter means 2r. 2r is equal to 3 meter. Therefore, r is equal to 3 by 2 meter. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. 14 meter deep means height h is equal to 14. H is equal to 14 meter. And the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring. That is the difference. In the previous one, the platform was in the shape of a cuboid, and here it is in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Here, width of the embankment is given as 4 meter, and we have to find out the height of the embankment. Width is equal to 4 meter. It is given as width is equal to 4 meter. Circular ring. Circular ring and of width is equal to 4 meter. So, here also we have to find out the volume of earth dug out from the well. Volume of earth dug out. Volume of earth dug out is equal to, formula is pi r square h. Here pi into r square, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into h is 14. So much meter cube. Here we are putting this value as it is because there is a circular ring that also contains pi. So we did not give the value of pi. So we can draw a circular ring like this. This is the shape of a circular ring. Earth is spread out in this area. Earth is spread out in this area, and this is the width. It is given as 4 meter. 4 meter. Here, this is the radius of the well. So, it is given as 3 by 2 means 1.5. This is 1.5. And the capital R of outer circle, that is 1.5 plus 4, which is equal to 5.5. So, we can take capital R is equal to 5.5 and small r is equal to 1.5. So, we have to find out the volume of earth in the embankment. That means base area into height is the volume. Volume of earth in the embankment. Volume of earth in the embankment. Formula is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. This is the area, base area into height. We have to find out value of this h. Taking pi as common, the remaining is capital R square minus small r square into h. This is equal to pi into r plus r into r minus r into h. Giving values, pi into capital R, it is 5.5 plus 1.5 into 5.5 minus 1.5 into h. This is equal to pi into 5.5 plus 1.5, it is 7, and 5.5 minus 1.5, which is equal to 4 into h meter cube. This is the volume of earth in the embankment. Now we can equate these two. That is pi into 7 into 4 into h is equal to pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14. Therefore, pi and pi cancelling, we can find out the value of h by dividing the right side by 7 into 4. That means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14 divided by 7 into 4. This 7 and 14 get cancelled 2. This 2 and 1 2 cancelling. The remaining is 3 into 3, 9 by 8 meter. 9 by 8 meter, 9 by 8 is an improper fraction. We can put the value either as a fraction or as decimal. If we are converting this into a mixed fraction, we are getting it as 1 and 1 by 8 meter. Or h is equal to 9 by 8. We can divide 9 by 8. Getting 1, 2, 22, 16, 45. 1.125 meter. We are getting the height of the embankment as 1.125 meter. So we can conclude as height of the embankment. Height of the embankment is equal to 1 and 1 by 8 meter or 1.125 meter. This is the required answer. So, first of all, we are finding the volume of earth dug out from the well, that is pi r square h. Now, volume of earth in the embankment means base area into height. Base is in the shape of a circular ring. So, area of circular ring is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. That means pi capital R square minus pi small r square into h will give the volume. Now, pi is taking as a common factor. The remaining is r square minus r square, which is in the form of identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, r square minus r square is equal to r plus r into r minus r into h. Now, giving the values, pi into capital R is equal to 5.5, small r is equal to 1.5. So, r plus r is equal to 5.5 plus 1.5 and r minus r is equal to 5.5 minus 1.5. 5.5 plus 1.5 will give 7 and 5.5 minus 1.5 will give 4. Pi into 7 into 4 into h meter cube is the volume of earth in the embankment. Now equating these two volumes, pi into 7 into 4 into h is equal to 5 pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14. Pi cancelled. Now for getting the value of h, we are dividing the right side of the equation by 7 into 4. Simplifying, we are getting the value of h, height, as 9 by 8 meter. 9 by 8, since it is an improper fraction, we can divide and put it as a mixed fraction. So, the value of h is either we can write as 1.1 by 8, 1 and 1 by 8 meter, or in decimal form 1.125 meter. Both the answers, both the forms are correct. So, height of the embankment h is equal to 1 and 1 by 8 meter or 1.125 meter. This is the answer. Okay.